Firmly press the propeller cap down and rotate the propeller to remove the old blades. Install the propellers with matching color markings onto the corresponding motor. Insert the propeller cap and press it firmly, then rotate to lock. Unfold the arms. Power off the aircraft before the installation. The guards are divided into left and right sides. Release the locks and connect the guards marked with LF and LB. Attach the guard under the front and rear arms on the left side. Close the locks. There will be a clicking sound indicating the lock is secure. Repeat the steps above to install the propeller guards on the right side. Hover the aircraft after installation. The aircraft is ready to fly once a prompt appears in the DJI Fly app, indicating that the propeller guards have been detected. Open the lock and remove the propeller guard. Press the buckle and separate the two guards.